Yo, it's been about 20 minutes doing a lap around town currently and still haven't gotten the first order yet, which is a little surprising, but it's kind of cloudy and gloomy. Maybe people are just sleeping in. Finally got the first order. This is a Taco Bell. I think it said it was $10 going about 3 miles.
Hey, are you taking it?
Hello, what kind of food for you?
Do you have drink carriers?
This is everything.
Okay, maybe I need to stop taking these Taco Bell orders first thing in the morning because they're either still setting up, dragging their feet, or a mix of both, because that took so long. Yeah, I don't know what's going on today. We're just not getting any orders. This might be a really short day. Ask and you shall receive, I guess. Finally got the next order. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Subway going 9 miles. I didn't ask for a Subway going 9 miles, by the way, but I guess that's just what we're doing. Morning. Thank you. You too. Just about to hit that 1 hour mark, and we've done 1.5 orders so far. That's pretty terrible. Oh, okay. Very nice, very fun, very cool, very awesome. That was a no tip. Gotta love it. Total for that one was $7. Not even $1 per mile. That is, today is going really well for me. Got the next order pretty much right away. Orders, actually. Got a stack going to the same person. This is Seize the Bagel and Black Rock Coffee going about 5 miles.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Why are people so annoying? Just have a normal, regular, boring drop-off, please. Total for that one was $14. Got this one right away. This is a Krispy Kreme going 4 miles. You can put that in the bag and I'll just put those on top of it. That works. Thank you. You too. That's a no tip. I guess I'll go myself then. Next order up is a Starbucks going 3.5 miles. Wait, I think I said this was a Starbucks. This is actually a McDonald's. I just saw the little drink icon on the order and assumed it was Starbucks. Hand to customer, meet in lobby. Oh, this is awesome. Or just ignore me, that's fine too. Okay, yeah, that's another no tip. I'm gonna turn off Earn by Time. Oh, never mind. Got the next order. Total for that last one was $3 and change, by the way. So, insert bad words here. This is an Angels going 3.5 miles. Morning. Total for that one was $7. Okay, finally a decent order. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10 going 6.5 miles, 4 items. Morning.
How's it going?
Good.
They were out of the avocado, or they got it?
I got a
Non-organic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they had a ton of those, but they weren't all really ripe. That was like one of the best ones I could find.
No worries. Yeah. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. All right, I'm just over it. I'm done. I don't care. I turned off Earn My Time, and every single order, every single one has been like $3 going 6 miles, $2 going 8 miles. It showed me one that was $6 and change going 4 miles, but it said total will be higher. Like, how about you just show me the total one? If it's high enough, I'll take it. Why are we doing this? Anyways, current time is 8:24. Total will be on screen right now. I'm pretty sure we lost money today. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.